Hey y'all, so I've got a box. This is family size, but you don't need to use the family size. Just get a box of pound cake, get it to defrost, slice them into thick slices, and then get some butter. And you're just gonna put some butter on top of each one. Once you have buttered all of your slices of pound cake, we're only doing 4 today, but you could do the whole batch. This is gonna go into a 350-degree oven just until everything's nice and toasty. Once those pound cake slices have gotten super nice and toasty, we're gonna take some just regular plain yogurt. You can use vanilla, but probably not like a flavored yogurt. And you're gonna spoon each one right in the middle. You can make it kind of come out. Just drip off the side if you want. Make this really nice and smooth. And we're gonna have a can of apricot halves, not the slices. And don't use peaches because peaches might be a little too light, but go ahead and take one out. I'm gonna carefully put it right on top like that. Doesn't that look like a sunny side up egg? Okay, we're gonna do another one right here. That one looks like the yolk broke just a little bit. One more. And let's find a really good one for the last one. Oh, this is gonna look amazing. Okay, put that right on top like that. And look, you've got these April Fool's sunny side up eggs on toast. Give it a try.